everyone, my name is Manisha and here I am going to speak few lines on problems. Yes, life is full of problems. Every person on the earth will be having some or the other problem. But what actually matters is how well you're approaching to those problems will often determine whether you're happy or miserable. And also from past few months I observed many youngsters are struggling to fulfill their family needs, struggling for money and also worried about their future. So there is a person called Boy Menard who says that problems are opportunities. Yes, problems are opportunities to learn about ourselves and others too. How? It enables us to think on what solution makes you happy. It gives us the worth learning lessons in our life. It gives us the opportunity to learn and grow. For example, in my childhood, I never want to go to school. I used to cry only because I couldn't speak English and that is an English convent. If my parents would have been considered that as an actual problem, will I be able to read and write? No, right? And today it may be a problem for us, but one fine day it may be an opportunity to us. As same as me, where I considered speaking English is a problem to me, but that same problem has given me an opportunity to speak in front of you, isn't it? Then I have realized that problems are part of the life. Problems will gives us opportunities to learn and grow. It gives us many challenges to face, and at the end of the day the same problems will surprise your own self. And the just the word problem can send us into a panic situation, but please remember that problems can be good things too, isn't it? And if you have any problem, please don't worry, instead think. There is a difference between worrying and thinking. If you worry, you will go into depression, but if you think, you will get a solution. And also many people think that youth is the best age to enjoy. It is the age where nobody can question us, we can do whatever we want. But I say this is the golden period, whether you want to fall or race for the next 40 to 50 years. How? If you are utilizing this time and working on your passion or on your dreams, you will live the next 40 to 50 years happily compared to the life which you are living now. In case if you are not utilizing the time and you are wasting the time in nonsensical things, obviously you will end up the life facing many struggles and problems for the next 40 to 50 years, and the situation may become even worse because today cost of living may not be the same tomorrow. Obviously our standard of living should be increased, isn't it? So please don't waste time. And also I observed everybody have dreams, everybody want to earn money, everybody want to have lump sum of money, but let us question ourselves, are we really doing things in order to achieve those dreams? No, right? So even if we do, we will only follow for 2 to 3 days and again we get back to our normal life. But please remember that that is not the behavior of a successful person. We need to work hard every day. And also I suggest everybody to write a diary, because when you start writing a diary, you will know what you are doing, whether you are wasting your time or whether you are utilizing your time. You will know your day-to-day activities, and that is where you will start your growth. You will see your growth. And also I see that there are no proper jobs for us. Even if we want to work and done, nobody is offering a job to us. Everybody are blaming COVID, but please remember that this is the period, this is the time where we cannot, where it may not come back to us, because once the COVID vaccine is out into the market, again the busy schedule starts. We will be busy with our own self, with our own company, and most importantly you will be not having time to your own self, because you will be working under some company, you are working under some pressure, and you will be getting only 1 day week off. So this is the best time to explore yourself. Let us use this time. Take a diary, write down the points on which you are interested into. Let it be anything, dancing, singing, playing cricket, do whatever you want, but please think, are you gaining anything out of it? Is it benefiting you? And some people may be facing problem in communicating things. This is the time to learn. Watch YouTube videos and learn. Be ready into the market. And also I say that education is not only the tool to earn money. There are plenty of other things in order to achieve our dreams. Work on your passion. Once again I am saying, your passion is your money. Work on yourself, explore yourself. Today we may not earn, but one fine day we will be succeeded. And also every time things may not be the same. Things may go wrong, unexpected things may happen, but that is the time where we need to stand strong and we need to believe in ourselves. So let us all utilize this precious time and become successful together. Thank you.